Hello everyone, how are you all? Today is Monday and I hope so you're waiting for my video. So every day I will be showing you my workout video on Monday. So today this is something which everyone, most of us are suffering, and actually I myself was suffering and I got rid of it. I've been practicing this from past 6 months. So this is for all age group. There is nothing like youngsters cannot do or old age cannot do. Everyone can do here. This is the one because this phase what we have, right, it is very important. We can do facial, remove our pimples, but the fat accumulated under your jaw, that's double chin, that can never be removed. It cannot be operated. We cannot do anything. So you can get the chiseled jawline now very easily. These workouts will help you. Nothing but just give 10 minutes in 1 hour and do this. So these exercises you are supposed to repeat thrice. I will be telling this and the count, you have to give the count of 10. Gradually you can increase the count. So the first exercise is nothing but the fish cut or the pout. We are very happy to give the pout for the photos, so that's what we are going to do, and the count should be 10 and gradually you can increase. This should be repeated thrice, but I'll be showing 6 exercises at a stretch, and then we can tell like what are the effects of it. Just the fish pout. The cause for the double chin can be genetics, or it can be because lack of exercise or the fat accumulation. That's all. This should be repeated thrice. And the second exercise, it's very easy. Just open your mouth, put your tongue out and fold your tongue. And that also I am doing for the count of 10. Try chewing bubble gums. Keep your eyes wide open for this. It's very effective, and you can do it anytime. That's all. You can actually do it like, but it's difficult for you to open your mouth and fold it. That's the reason you have to hold it. That's when the muscle around here gets stretched. The third one, actually it is not a part of this exercise, but make a habit of chewing the bubble gum. That's when the muscle over here gets exercised, and facial, everywhere the facial muscles are connected, right, it gets exercised. So that's very good. Do try it. So now we are going with the third exercise. That's very easy, and we were doing it by teasing our friends when we were in lower kgs, maybe in first or second standard. So this is how we have to do it. That's nothing but try this 3 times for now, but when in a day you can repeat it more than 6 times also. It's very effective. To the both sides. So this is the third exercise, and the fourth one is very easy. Nothing but moving your eyebrows up and down. That can be done 10 times. That's for the eyebrows. The next one is nothing but open your mouth, and it's very easy, but don't try to close your eyes. Please keep your eyes open. This you have to repeat thrice, and the last one is really helpful because that's where you are rotating your neck. And then seeing the other side, either you can open your mouth and put your tongue out, or just when you bite something, bite harder. Okay, that's very simple. See, I'm straight here, rotating my neck, and then or if you want much easier, try avoiding the fried items after 5 p.m. in the evening, and try this. Repeat it for the other side. That's all. Do try this. It's very effective, and share me your comments. Thank you all.